If we can learn about the people in our community and what makes them tick, if we can open our heart to their needs and show empathy, if we can volunteer ourselves to be part of the solution in their life, and if we can empower others to do the same, then we'll have love in the community.
It's a possibility now for healing to actually occur. So in Kintsugi, when it relates to pottery, and when if you have a vase, and you say you put time and effort, you create this beautiful vase, and then you drop it, and it fractures into pieces. So in our society, we might throw it away. We might, get on the kid who dropped it. Oh, you kid, and see it as some kind of problem, something went wrong. In this concept, they see that that's a natural part of any process in life, that things break, But instead of seeing it as an opportunity to trash the pieces and throw them away, they look to see how they could reconstitute it, And then they come up with this elixir, that has gold, 24-karat gold flakes mixed into it. And they take this carefully prepared elixir and craft the pieces and put them back together and create beauty out of the broken vase. So you have this broken vase now with these beautiful gold streams woven through it, artistically, carefully, patiently, delicately. So you come up with something even more beautiful than what they had originally.